Greeting a friend.
Hi Alex, how are you today?
Hi Emma, I'm doing well, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. Alex, can I ask you something?
Sure. What is it?
Can you tell me about your family?
Of course. I have a small family, my parents and one sister.
Oh, nice. Is your sister older or younger?
She's older. She's 17 years old.
Wow, a teenager. Is she friendly?
Yes, very friendly. She helps me with homework.
That's wonderful. What about your mom?
My mom is very caring. She's a teacher.
Teacher. That's amazing. Where does she teach?
She teaches in Greenfield School here in town.
That's great. And your dad?
My dad is hardworking. He's an engineer.
Oh, so he must be very smart.
Yes, I think so. What about your family, Emma?
My family is a bit bigger. I have my mom, dad, two brothers, and my grandma.
That sounds lively. Do you like it?
Yes, but sometimes it's noisy at home.
I can imagine. Are your brothers older?
One is older, one is younger. The older one plays football every evening.
That's cool. And your younger brother?
He's 8 years old. He loves drawing pictures.
Nice. That's a good hobby.
Yes, he's very creative. So, Alex, what's your daily routine like?
Well, I wake up at 6:45 a.m. every day.
Early. I wake up at 7:15 a.m.
After that, I brush my teeth, take a shower, and have breakfast.
What do you usually eat?
Bread, eggs, and a glass of milk.
That's healthy. Do you go to school after that?
Yes, I leave at 8 a.m. School finishes at 3 p.m. What about you?
Same here. After school, I usually do my homework.
Good habit. Sometimes I do homework right away, sometimes later.
And after homework?
I play basketball with my friends.
That sounds fun. I usually play badminton with my sister.
Do you play every day?
Not every day, maybe 3 times a week.
Cool. And what time do you have dinner?
Around 7 p.m. My grandma cooks very tasty food.
Wow, lucky you. At my house, sometimes my dad cooks pasta.
Pasta? I love pasta.
Me too. After dinner, I watch TV for a while.
Same here. Sometimes I read books instead.
And what time do you sleep?
I sleep at 10 p.m. What about you?
I sleep at 9:30 p.m. I like to sleep early.
That's good for health. I should try.
Yes, try it. You'll feel better in the morning.
So your routine is school, homework, badminton, dinner, then sleep.
Yes, and yours is school, basketball, dinner, and books.
Exactly.
Families and routines make life interesting.
True. I'm glad we talked today.
Me too. See you tomorrow.
See you. Bye.